set up as it's a modular, so when we had enough able bodies, we take it to shows. We haven't taken it to show now for just over a year and a half. We just don't have the able bodies anymore. But it would take us, not quite, but just about 4 hours to tear it from where it sits right now, tear it down, put it, have it put in the trailer.
Actually, that's pretty decent. 4 hours. Well, you have to put everything away, I mean, on the top.
Yeah, well, the individual club members on the tour, there's 1 or 2 cars there that is making that squeaking noise. It's not doing it right now. There it is.
You got a better ear than I do.
Well, I'm thinking that's probably why Harvey hasn't caught it, because his hearing's not as, there it is. And just,
Oh, yeah.
What do you guys want to say? Thank you. You can hear it now. It's got 1 section.
Chicago down to the southern part of the state of Columbia. You would be in St. Louis. For a while. But I worked out of Carbondale for a while. And then moved to Carbondale down. Roll on like control.
Oh, yes. We had a club member who was watching here a year and a half ago. 46 years in Santa Fe. One of the old teams.
I mean, especially that. The skyscrapers are incredible.
Yeah. When he saw that skyscraper, he went, I gotta have that. Okay. See, even that whole city up there is owned by a member.
Is it based off of anywhere?
No. All imagination. I'm not sure he verified this, but he's also engaged. Yeah, I think it's one of those two right there. All the buildings are not tomorrow. So they do.
Well, they just set it there now.
Oh, okay. So we pack them up and